Marijuana is a very powerful plant also, That's why, when people don't have the knowledge, the understanding of how to work with that energy can become very overwhelming because plants, they can get like possessive of people. But it's not like the plant itself doing it, it's more about we allowing it. It has medicinal purpose, but the way how we are using it, like smoking marijuana is not the way to ingest marijuana. That is one thing. You are also polluting your lungs, with the mix of the substances. But then again, marijuana is a plant that it gives you what you have inside. So if people already has, for example, psychosis, is something that is going to bring it up. If people has anxiety, it's something that also will bring it up. With any issue that you're carrying, it will come up.